Hi everybody, welcome back to another reading. This is for May. I had to do this reading and I took long. So this is for May, what's going to happen in May. For people who are new to my channel, welcome. This is Tam Predicts and I channel messages and I'm a psychic medium and I read tarot intuitively and what my spirit guides tell me to say. So today I am going to do all the elements. I'm not going to do different videos for all the zodiac signs. So what I've done is I've clubbed them under fire, earth, air and water. So these are May predictions and I'll be doing all the different elements in this video. Also membership to my channel is open, so you can take a membership and you can get special videos which are only for preview for people who are members to my channel, and only those can view my videos. So let's see what are the cards saying for you for May. So I'm going to begin with the reading. Remember, these are general guidances, might or might not resonate. So if few messages resonate, it's fine. If they don't, that's okay. Uh, there are a lot of great tarot readers and psychics on the net, so you can follow anybody. But I hope the messages do resonate with you. Remember, you are the best judge of your situation, and take the guidance that you need during this time, or if it's resonating or sitting well with your situation. So let's start. I'm going to start with air today. Air signs are Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Let's see how May will be for them. I've got a lot of tarot decks today. I've used different ones. The ones that I was drawn to, I've used those ones, and I'm also using sigil messages. Uh, I'm going to put it like this. I think May is a month of resting a bit. You've really overworked yourself, even your mind. You've been thinking too much. It's like, also, it's like air signs want to just rest a bit, pause a bit, because there's so much happening in your life. And you're really tiring yourself out. I really feel you need to do some meditation. You need to calm your mind. You need to relax a bit. I want you to work with white color, okay? That's what I really feel for you. I really feel, working yourself out too much and worrying too much and, doing too many things together, air signs. I really feel like, you need to sit and relax. That's my first guidance to you. A person you're working with, or somebody in your family or your life, or it could also be you, but I feel somebody who's in your life, or probably a partner if you're partnering with someone, or probably it's your boss. Somebody's going to give you some money, give you some more money. It could either come in the form of increment. It could also come in form of somebody giving you a little more money that was left and is distributed if you're in a business or a partnership. There's also money coming in from new projects. Somebody is waiting. It's almost like waiting to give you money in May. That's beautiful, air signs. Why not? So any amount of money is welcome. So I feel somebody giving you money, and you've been waiting for that money. Maybe this is your hard work paying off, but yes, maybe the money makes you a little more relaxed. That's another message that I get. So now once you get your money, you'll kind of feel more relaxed, or you were really working hard for money. Probably now it's the time to sit back and relax, whatever hard work you've put in all these months, and I get probably a year or 2 years. You've been doing a lot of hard work. Just be careful about your words, because with your words, because here I feel either either you dealing with an Aries sign, or doing things impulsively. I don't want you to do things impulsively. That's what I get in May. I want you to be calm, because you really need this, especially if money matter is involved. Don't pick up a fight with someone. That's another message that I get, especially with Aries, or any fire sign, because I feel a lot of fire here. So it's like flying, or like words flying, or accusing each other. So don't do that. You got to resolve things peacefully. That's another thing that I get more with the fire sign. I don't get any other sign, but yes, just be careful with money. Be bold and make the first move. That's a guidance for you. So if you've been not taking up something, not changing, probably you're in a job and you wanted to do a business, or you wanted to start your business, even if you don't want to leave your job, or you wanted to do something really different. I think May is the time to just, you know, um, do something adventurous, or take that risk you always wanted to take. But yes, not weighing, don't do it. You need to weigh your pros and cons. Don't jump into anything, because like I said, don't be impulsive, okay? uh, just be bold. I don't know if it's a romantic gesture you've been wanting to say something to someone, or whatever, you've been holding back. It's your time to express yourself. You have to say it right now. That's what I feel. There's something you need to release in May. You're not releasing. You've been thinking about something. You've been wanting to release it. It's you've not been doing it. You've been wanting to do it is what I want to say. Releasing negativity, releasing somebody from your life, or probably just releasing probably. If you're in a job that doesn't make you happy, okay, don't just give up your job for the sake of it. But if you've been really not happy and you've not been able to make that bold move, maybe this is the time to make that bold move, okay? But don't do it, don't fight and make it. If you want to part with your boss or whatever, with your job, just do it, well. Don't burn bridges here. But yeah, there is something you've been wanting to release, and you might do it because that's what's going to relax you. Maybe it's the money that's not letting you release it. You're a little worried that if I you know let the job or something, what will happen? Or probably you cannot get you cannot let go of a person because you're still not very sure. That's another message that I get. Let's see what the other cards are saying. I feel you have all the power in your hand in May. Everything will go for you. Okay, it's just what you do with it. So don't waste it. Don't waste your time on things that will not happen, because I really know you. You will. I really think that you will have everything to create magic. You'll have the money. You will have the power. You will have the ideas. You'll have the people supporting you. Everybody supporting you. Even luck is on your side. So May is the time when you can do things. That you've been wanting to do, and really make that bold move, because now is the right time. And I don't know if you've been seeing 111, or probably you were born in born on one of the dates that I'm not going to say month because this is air signs. Dates that adds to a one. I really feel that. And I've got this infinity sign, and I feel there's no stopping you. Everything is going fine with you. It's great. Things will turn out great for you. That's what I feel. I'm just clearing it so I can put the other cards. I really think you can do it, and whatever you want right now from life will happen. That's what I feel. And I also feel May you're going to be more fearless. It's like nothing's. It's you'll be fearless, and it'll be easy for you to do things. That's what I feel. Yes, here it is, boldness. So spirit guides are telling you to be bold in May. Well, just do it. Whatever you were wanting to do. Why are you thinking about it? And you will do that. In May, and Archangel Michael is supporting you. And I also want to say truth is on your side. I don't know what it means, but you know, just be bold. It's great ahead. It's don't be scared of what lies when you fall from the waterfall, but there is something good. There is a good surprise there, and I'm telling you, in May you'll be glad that you took the bold step, whatever it is, releasing someone or changing your job or starting something with your job. Probably that's what I feel. Don't have to worry about it. Acceptance. You want somebody to accept you in May. There's not been acceptance, so you need to accept a situation. You've been running away from a situation. You're not accepting something is another message that I get. It's it's accepting a relationship, or accepting the fact that two people are very different, and you've got to accept that. If you're not going to accept that, air signs, you're not going to move ahead. That's what I feel. So Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, there's something you need to accept in a situation. Okay, it is a very different situation of what you thought it would be. I don't know. Those are guided messages. Uh, but even if you two are different, or it's totally one is a little peaceful, the other one is like playful and a little different from you. It's fine. You need to accept a situation in a relationship is what I get. Okay, that is what I feel. Let's see what other cards. What other cards are for you? Jubilance is there, so something nice in May. Probably it all depends on your bold move, maybe, but good times are coming ahead. I get after 11th May, there's going to be good news in your life, guys. Good, good things are going to happen to you in May. That's what I feel. There'll be something to celebrate about, whatever it is. And I get a lot of yellow for you guys. If you want to use yellow, you want to wear it more often, or you want to use a pen that's yellow color, or probably I just got yellow here also, so probably yellow is the color for you. Let's see what zodiac signs are you interacting with, or if there's any zodiac sign that's influencing you. Cancer, of course, is here. So a water sign is here. Maybe you're emotional about this partnership, or you're emotional about the person. The person is emotional about you, but I really feel you dealing with a Cancerian. I also feel a lot of emotions flowing in May. There'll be a lot of I don't know why I wanted to say the word confessions. There'll be confessions, and I feel positive connections here with a Cancerian. With Leo, I don't think it's going to go too good. You know, it's like I said, with fire signs it's not going good. Air signs something, because I got a fire sign in the beginning also, if you remember. It's like a heated exchange of words or something. But with the Leo, I think it's more about dominance. You know, both trying to dominate the relationship. That's what I feel. Or even if it's a boss, or it could be any family member, anybody you're dealing with. So another person you're dealing with is Capricorn. So that's a Capricorn energy also. So the person around you is pretty serious, you know, and that's the energy that I get, and that's what the card is saying. I also get the message: hard work will pay in May. So just be careful of shrewd people also, okay? And ambition is there. Just be careful of what you are wishing for in ambition. Yeah. Like I said, don't burn your bridges. I don't know why. You know, this is the goat climbing here on the mountain, but it's a difficult journey. It's like waiting for support. Are you waiting for someone's support, or Capricorn, or in your life you want more support from a Capricorn, from this person, probably this guy, girl, whoever is not really supporting you. You're waiting for someone. Are you waiting for someone? That's another message that I get. So it's going great with a Cancerian. I feel it's a more caring relationship. Really care for the person. The person really cares for you and loves you. A lot of emotions will happen in May. Great emotions or expressions, emoting. You know, either you emoting a lot, or the guy's going to emote a lot. The girl. With Leo, I don't know. It's not really a balanced relationship. With Capricorn, I feel the journey ahead is difficult. I don't know why I want to say this, but yeah, that's a message that I get from the zodiac sign. So those were the messages for air signs, and I'm going to move to fire. I want to do fire. Sorry, I want to do I want to do fire after this. So we've just done with the air signs. Let's see fire sign. What are the messages for you? I'm going to start with the numerology cards. What are the messages for the fire sign? Fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sag. Aries, Leo, and Sag. What are the messages for you? What do you want me to tell people who are watching this? What are the messages for you? Fire sign. How is May going to be with you? Your commitment is being tested. So either it's in a relationship or a job. Somebody is testing you, how dedicated you are, fire sign, and how much hard work you're putting in a project, or how much hard work you're putting otherwise. Are you really committed? Because those are not the signals you've been giving the person you're dealing with. That's what I get. And I don't think you're testing someone. Somebody's testing you, your commitment. I think you promised someone something, and probably the person thinks you're not really committed. You will not, put in your hard work, or you're just fooling around. Those are the words that I get. Fire sign, nothing will come out of this situation. Maybe it's too late in a situation. I don't know why I want to say this. It's too late. In May, I don't know how much can you change, because I don't know why I'm getting these words, but the damage has been done. So I could be talking to one of you. I could be picking up one energy, or right now probably could be a message for one person. And I don't know. I want to use the word damage. The damage has been done. It's like almost somebody saying these words to me, that you should have thought about it before, Now it's too late to do damage control, to extinguish the fire. Are you dealing with a water sign? Because the moment I said water sign, I've got a Cancerian here. Not going well. Or I'm going to put it like this, because I took the card not reversed. So okay, you are dealing with a water sign. Fire sign with a water sign, not happy. So here it says nothing will come out of the situation. So it could be fire sign with another sign, though I got a water sign. And I say it says personal issue reaches resolution. So in May, probably for some of you there could be a resolution, but for a lot of you there could be nothing coming out of the situation. Especially, if it's a Cancerian, I really don't feel in May something is going to happen. Because my first time I'm going against the card, because I really feel if it came reversed in my hand, I'm going to read it reversed because it's a water sign and I'm going to keep it like this. And it's almost like spirit guides telling me not to keep the water sign, you know, this way, because I feel there is a issue, and I don't know if you will be able to resolve it or not. Yes, see, I told you it is about a Cancerian. You worrying about a Cancerian. You've not been talking to that person. There's a water sign involved, and it's Cancer. Fire sign. This could be for one of you. You worrying about the person, or this could be just two cards here, because this could be your commitment is tested and nothing is coming out. Probably you worried about someone, and the person is okay. Maybe this is the way I want to read it now. So there are two stories here. It could go either way with a Cancerian. You're dealing with a water sign. I told you, here's Pisces. The balance is lost somewhere. You're trying to uh, balance the situation. So it could go either way. So either it will not go well, or either balance would be restored. I want to say this now because I see balance here. It's with a water sign. Could be with a Piscean, but there is a strong water sign, guys. I want to use the zodiac cards right now. Let's see what the zodiac cards are saying. Who are you dealing with, fire sign? Let me see. What does the zodiac sign card say? Who are you dealing with? What is the problem? Pisces, water, totally fire sign. Fire sign, very emotional over someone, very emotionally involved with someone, wanting to resolve something, confused in a situation. Try to be compassionate in this. You're wishing for something. There's a Virgo also. There's Virgo in your sign, but I really get more water sign. Also dealing with a Virgo. With Virgo, it's going to go well if you're dealing with a Virgo. That's what I feel. With an Earth sign, it's not so bad. It's a good relationship with the Earth sign. Let me see what are the other messages that I get. Not feeling really confident about money. That's another message that I get. I feel though you're not holding back to the past. I feel you're looking ahead. So this is not, past is not holding you back. Maybe there was a problem with money, it's getting resolved. And end of the deck, I see this. There is some problem. You've been fire sign, you've been fighting with someone. It's been 5 days, 5 weeks, you've not been speaking to someone. Is it about money? Did money come in between? Yes. You wanted something to end, not very sure about it, like I said. It's a painful situation. I don't know why I want to say something is slow and painful here. Is it the person you're dealing with? Is it the job that you're dealing with? Somebody is not giving you your money back. It's coming in very slow. It's like money coming, trickling in. I get a lot of messages, guys. Also trying to move forward, then getting stuck again. I don't know with what. Yes, this card came again, fighting with someone. What is it? Though I feel you will emerge as a winner. You'll be fine. The arguments that you put through, if you've been fighting about, you've been fighting with someone for justice or something. Somebody didn't do right. There's something right didn't happen with you. Good didn't happen with you. I feel you will win, because I see the enemy turning their backs on you. You're going to win this fight. But it's going to be a slow process, okay? It's like almost like a battle. It's going to take time to finish. Yes, lover is happening here. So what a sign. Sorry, not water, because this is two of cups. Leo is also there. So maybe after May 22nd, I get May 22nd, things might improve, for you guys. That's what I get. If it's not been really going good, maybe after 22nd, there might be a resolution. Because like I said, I get two stories for the water sign. If you're dealing with a water sign, fire sign. Let's see what are the energy cards saying for you. Happy family, somebody wanting stability in their life, somebody building a house. I get building a house. You're getting a new house in May. Are you thinking about a new house? Have you paid an installment? Have you paid some money for your house? You're wanting stability. You're getting stability in May. That's happiness. Your patience is going to pay because you've been really patient about something. Maybe you were patient about getting your family together. Maybe you were patient about getting a new home, and you've put money away for that. You've shown a lot of patience right now, especially when it comes to dealing with a family member. That's what I get. Or getting, things for the family. You really waited for the times to be better, where you could put money and give your family happiness. That's the story that I get. You wanted to give, you wanted to make your family happy, and in May it's going to happen. Yes, very strong. Strong Leo energy coming up. Fire sign energy coming up. You very strong, time has made you very strong. That's another thing. Passage of time. Maybe you didn't deal with the situation very well, but in May you're going to be very strong. Okay, you're going to deal with the situation very well. Probably you're the head of the family. You're doing things for everybody. That's what I feel. You're taking care of the family. And probably a lot of hard times in probably April. But May it's going to be better. You'll understand, how to deal with things. From in May things are going to look easy for you. That's what I feel. One more card for you guys. Yeah, you're going to get the world. You're feeling lonely about something. You want a family. Do you want to start a family? That's another story that I get. Wanting to start a family, feeling lonely about something, about wanting to be with someone, wanting to start a family. That's another story for you, fire signs. Let's see if I get any sigil messages for you. I just want to pick up this card. Yep, looking for harmony, a family, stronger ties, relationship, a home that you can call your own. I think you're looking to buy a house. You want to settle your family, you want to settle yourself. That's really playing on your mind. And in May, I think that's possible that you could be buying a new house. This is stability, wanting harmony, wanting deeper connections, probably with someone. That's what I feel. Forming a strong connection. I also feel forming very strong network. When you're working, you're going to form a lot of you'll be doing a lot of networking and good networking. Which will bring you luck, or which will bring you money. So that's a fantastic reading. So I'm going to move on now to I want to do water sign now. Let's see water sign. What are the messages for you? Water sign, Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. What are the messages for you guys? Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, what are the messages for you? It's almost, you're like, I'm done with the situation. So water sign, you've come in your reading only. So this is, little money restrictions will happen, okay? I don't think it's a time to leave right now in May. Because I feel you've done a lot of hard work. You've collected all the cups. You've collected all the love. You've built something. It's not a time to leave. I really feel this is it says nothing more can be done, but I really feel you're not going to turn your back. That's this message that I get. Not turning your back on something. You've built it. You've collected so much. Why do you have to turn your back? And I really feel you turn back. I told you there is movement. Things will move forward. Things will get better. So this is not a time to leave the situation. You've done a lot of hard work. You've put in a lot. You can't leave because there are better times coming. I feel after 10th of May it's going to be a great time for you. You'll get good news. That's what I feel. Water sign, water sign. What can I say for water sign? Yes. There's somebody who's very strong in your life. I get a woman who's very strong, Um, uh, like she has a lot of power. She looks like a queen. Or somebody also treats you like like their world revolves around you. I get that also. And there might have been delays, and probably in the beginning of May, till third or fourth, there might be some delays about about a good news that you all wanted, and that's not coming to you. But I think after third it's going to happen because the wheel is going to move in your favor. That's what I get. I also get number three. I get three. Anything with multiples of three will be good for you in May. The delay was important. Whatever was the delay did work for you well. That's what I get. Don't worry about it. I'm telling you, there is movement, moving, ready. Almost charging, prepared, totally balanced. Ready for everything. That's what I get. Ready for difficult situations because you're ready. With your chariot, and it's almost like a victory news. So whatever problems were there in your life, they'll be solved. Don't worry, me. Water signs. There is no problem. But you can't just leave because I don't think it's right to leave now because you've done so much in that situation. Whatever the situation is, May is not a time to turn your back. I'm telling you, there's money coming in May. I want to say you'll be minting money. That's good. I also get a lot of green color for you. So wear green, use a green pen, write your affirmations with green. I get a lot of green. Speak your truth. You'll be talking a lot. You'll have to talk a lot. You need to express yourself now in May. That's how things are going to get better. Maybe to get money, you have to talk. You have to present something. Or maybe if it's in a relationship, you need to talk. Because I feel your throat chakra is blocked. You want to say a lot, but you're not being probably getting time to say it. You do not know what are the right words in that situation. You've been keeping quiet about it. Don't keep quiet about something because you can be misunderstood. That's what I get. You have to talk, and it's important for you to talk in May. Don't try to pick up a fight around 10th May. It's not that you will pick up a fight, just be careful, okay? 10th May doesn't seem like a great day. Things are much more closer than you think, This earth looks very far away, but my reading is, what I gather from here is you're really close to your goal, okay? Don't worry. It looks very far, but it's not. I want to say just keep on going. I don't know why for you guys, water signs. I just want to say just keep on going. This is not a time for stopping. May is not a time for stopping at all. Let me get the zodiac sign cards and see what all zodiac signs are appearing for you if you're in contact with any of the zodiac signs or involved with, or probably they're going to impact you. Taurian, there's a Taurian energy. So somebody is really stubborn around you, really knows, say something and will get it. That's what I get. I also feel you have to be like that, okay? You cannot waver in May. You have to make a decision, and you have to stand your ground in May. You have to be. It's good to be stubborn about something, like I always say. And I think May is a productive time for you. Water signs. It's going to be good for you. You could be dealing with earth signs because I get Taurian, because Taurian is here. So it could be an earth sign. Water sign could be dealing with an earth sign. Virgo is also here. So a lot of earth. Connecting to earth, connected to earth. Have you been wanting to do farming? Do you own a farmhouse? You bought a land, a huge piece of land, wanting to go somewhere, wanting to connect with nature. Maybe that's why I'm getting earth a lot. There's Aquarius also. Air sign. So somebody around you loves freedom, and that's what they've taught you, to be more expressive. Somebody's teaching you to be more expressive. That's what I feel. And fun loving. But that's also very rebellious energy that I'm getting. Or probably you very rebellious. But I get somebody who's really free spirited is around you, really carefree and a lot of energy. That's what I get. Because I got an air sign. Let's see what the sigil cards are saying for you guys. Euphoria. Great happiness is here. Reconciliation with someone. Things are going to be better. I told you, you don't have to walk away. Things will be better. You'll be happy. You'll be happy. Don't worry. That's what I thought. You'll get all the assurance you needed. Maybe you were leaving because you didn't have an assurance. Will the things work, not work? Will the situation work or not work? But there is assurance in that. And a lot of assurance is also coming. I don't know if you're giving assurance to someone. I get you giving assurance to someone that it's going to be okay. Those are the words that I hear. Maybe that's what was needed for the person to understand the situation, because if there's a reconciliation and there's euphoria, sorry, sometimes the tongue twists. So you've given an assurance to someone. That's where you two are back together. Maybe it's a business deal, maybe it's a relationship. That's going to work out well for you guys. Yeah, well protected. I got protection. Also got anticipation. Waiting for something. Anticipating something. What are you anticipating? Or did you use that word? Maybe you use that word and I just thought so. Let's see what are the other messages. You're very close to achieving your goal. Exactly. Don't give up. This is totally what I was saying. This is a card of not giving up in May. Things are going to really turn out to be in your favor. You can't give up. Surrender to the divine. Exactly what everything is saying. You have to believe in God. You have to believe that things were designed to fall in place. Or you have to believe in destiny. I don't know if you're a believer of destiny or not, but I'm telling you, see balance. Your balance will be restored. Practical. You'll be emotional. You'll be loving, caring. You want to be achieving your goals. So you're balancing work. You're balancing love well. So this is you cannot give up, guys. Exactly, your hard work is paying off. Whatever you did is going to pay off now. But you got to be more expressive. Remember that you need to express more. Okay. So those are the messages for water. And now I'm going to move on to Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Let's see what are the messages for you. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. I'm going to start with the Moonology cards. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. How's May going to be with you? Wow, a new start is coming. Wow, what a beautiful way to start. Maybe that's why I wanted to use these cards. Step out of your comfort zone because something is coming for you, something new is coming for you. And look how beautiful the purple color is, and this is also purple. So I just see a lot of purple for you. Suddenly purple is going to be fantastic for you guys. It's good luck. It's also good luck and money. That's what I feel. The end of a tough cycle. So if you you know, were facing hard times before this, and before May, it wasn't really going good for you and things weren't getting completed. You were really trying hard but nothing was happening. I feel right now everything will be fine, you know, if you step out of your comfort zone, because there is a new start that's coming for you. What are the other messages? What are the other messages for the earth signs? What are the other messages? What are the other messages? Sometimes I take a little longer to get the message. Wow, you're very close to achieving your goal, so don't give up. Tough cycle is over. It's done with. You've dealt with it, and you're going to achieve, you know, achieve whatever you wanted to achieve. You're going to step out of your comfort zone, and that's why you're getting a new start is coming. That's beautiful. May is going to be good beginnings for you. I get 7th May, I get 9th May, I get 22nd May. Those are all good dates for you. Let's see what are my energy cards saying for you guys for earth signs. Wow, beautiful, beautiful things happening, cornucopia. Look at the abundance here. Exactly, new start is coming. Maybe a lot of money is coming in with a new job. Also, beautiful things happening. If you've been wanting to meet your lover, if you're wanting to meet your life partner, it's going to happen in May. You're going to meet someone. 8 is a good number. That is what I get. Okay, I just get 8 for you guys. 8's going to be good. 8th May. So you're going to meet your partner. Wow. And I just saw 1101 on the clock. So if you're going to wish for someone, you're going to wish for a partner, it's going to happen, guys. This is beautiful. You're going to make a decision. There are two probably jobs coming, or decision. You know, probably you've applied for 2 jobs and you got a yes from both. So it's now your turn to decide, you know, which job to take up. That's what I get. Also, you're going to make a decision, you know, about, probably if it's about a guy or a girl, you're going to make the decision, because I feel this is somebody who knows, who is the life partner, or if it's working or not working. That's another thing I get. And I got this card for you. There is victory. So this is a beautiful reading. This is beautiful. There's victory for you. 1 and 8 I get totally for you guys. 1 and 8 are good numbers for you. Let's see what are the other cards saying. Let's see what zodiac signs you're interacting with, or which signs are influencing you, or you're interacting with which signs. So let's see earth signs. Scorpio. So with water sign, earth with water. I think when I was doing the water sign, it was there was, I think with earth, or could be with fire. I don't remember, but yeah. So a lot of intense energy, you know, in the relationship. But I feel the other person is kind of possessive and secretive. The person you're dealing with, I feel somebody who's very powerful, very charming, very good looking, intelligent. So that's the kind of energy that you are dealing with. Pisces, dealing with water sign, Earth. So some of you, I feel water sign. So it's either the person is very powerful and, you know, really charming and possessive. And I feel for some of you, your water sign, if you're dealing with a water sign, and if it's Pisces, I feel it's a very loving energy. The person you're going around with is very intuitive, or the person who you are with. I don't know why, but I also get forgiveness in May. Are you asking for someone's forgiveness? Do you have to forgive someone? That's what I get. Let's get a choice. Is it a choice between 2 people? Why do I get a choice? Gemini, I get 2 here again. Somebody, I told you, it's like twins, you know, like Geminis are twins, 2 sides. So it's, or either you're dealing with someone who's a split personality, is sometimes you think the person is kind of very soft spoken and suddenly the person is more aggressive, because I feel you're dealing with somebody who has two different sides, like the Gemini. That's why probably I got a Scorpio and Pisces, and I got really two different people. Or is it that person, suddenly becomes different with you, or is different with other people, or somebody who was totally, different when you started knowing the person, or could be a boss, could be a job, a family member. Suddenly it's changed. It's like kind of flipped. It's totally different. Like twins are very different. That's what I feel. I don't know why, but I get earth signs, you gotta be more fun loving in May. I don't know why you're so serious. That's another message that I get. I get, like really serious about something. You're not enjoying life. It's like, all the time, questioning yourself and reflection, and, really burdening yourself with thoughts, unnecessary thoughts. Yeah, be innocent, like a child. I'm getting you missing that energy, and maybe you need to be very childlike, playful, creative, not getting bogged down by situations. I don't know why I want to say this, but yes, you are. Somebody is missing that fun factor in you, okay? Somebody's not liking you this way. I get the word wonder, and I get wonder where that innocence is gone, where that energy is gone. Or is it you? Is it you, Earth signs, that you have become totally different after something? You've really changed, or something experience, or some things that really changed you. You're a different person right now. At the end of it is thrill. You got to have more. You have to, this is missing in your life. And May, you got to, have a more fun-loving life. You have to say it's more thrilling. May has to be more thrilling. Is it your energy that you've become like that? You were very energetic. It totally. I get somebody who's become different. I don't know why. Maybe I'm speaking to just one of you, Earth sign. But yeah, you need to have more fun in life. That's the message that I get. I get somebody who's very low on energy. Somebody's changing. Somebody's changed. Yeah, two decisions. There has to be something. And I think you know which way to go. Like I said in the beginning, a choice between two. I'm going to take this. Some news coming to you, but there is a delay. Somebody's coming towards you with some news. Maybe even a message has to come to you, but it's getting delayed. Some message that will make you happy. I get after 15th of May, you should get something, some message. Just a little more time. Why you are you showing mood swings? You happy, not happy? It's like a victory for you, but it's not really making you happy. Does your name begin with P? I get A also. I get R. I get J. I get M. I also get an O. What is the situation? Not happy, happy. Uh, Even approaching authorities about something to solve something for you. I feel authorities involved here. Really going to the top boss for something in a job, wanting the top boss to make a decision. It's like almost it's also like, you're in a court or something, there is a legal battle, and you're waiting for, somebody to tell you what's happening, what is the outcome. That's another message that I get. Very different reading for earth signs. Yeah, somebody owes you money, or you need money, or you have to get money from someone. Somebody is holding your money back. I feel some kind of a legal battle is happening here. Do you go to the court like today? I don't know, courts are closed, but have you been thinking about it? Yeah, is it a husband-wife fight where the court is involved? The money is splitting. The money is going to be divided. Why do I get a 60-40? I get a 50-50. I also get a 30-70. I don't know. It's almost you asking me, is it going to be fair? maybe you're selling a land and a, you're not getting a good deal here. Somebody's deciding it for you. But I feel a separation, I feel separating and dividing money, dividing the funds. Or if you're with a partner, you're separating and you need to divide funds in a company, or it could be a family dividing something. And that's conning. So that's okay, that's somebody's conned you. I don't know, yeah, because it was a slip of a tongue and I would take it as a guided message. I was going to say something, I was also saying something. It's like in the family there's a feud because of this land problem, money problem. The division is not right. I don't know why. I really get this. Guys, I'm sorry, I might be speaking to just one person, but it happens when you get stuck to a message. It's like the guides want to tell you that this is it, this is the message for people. That's what it is. So that's what I feel. There is a message here. So let me see what are the message that I can give. I want to give one more message to you guys. Let's see what is the message. I want to close the reading with one more message. What's the message for you? 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 Thinking too much. Thinking too much. I get thinking too much. I get unnecessary worry, unnecessary thinking, complex situation, making the situation more complex. Yeah, crown chakra. Don't think too much. So much weight on your head. That's what I feel. It's like release all that, release that worry. You start getting headaches in May. So that was the reading. Guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Do leave a message. Do tell me all the signs were different. All these zodiac signs, all the elements were different totally. So let me know what you think of the reading, and do leave a comment. Do subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. And thank you so much, guys. Bye. Please enjoy your May and please stay safe. Bye.